Dito kami ngayon guys sa
car wash. We're going inside. It's my first time inside.
Hi guys. So ka-car wash kami. This is the second time for Chevy.
It's my first time to go in the car wash.
Yeah. First time ni Kuya na
Car
sumama
wash.
sa akin. So yun. Kasi malamig ngayon kaya mahirap linisin. Lagi kong ginagawa, nililinis ko sa Chevy. Pero ngayon kasi sobrang lamig, negative. For today, negative 11 yung temperature. So we decided dali na lang sa car wash. So let's see.
We're going in the car wash, guys.
Yeah. So you see.
Are they having a scrub?
Yeah, they have to clean it. Then they will ask what we will take. We will just take the $9.
Wait, is it, Papa? Is it going, oh, that one. Or the machine's going to clean it?
Yes, you will see. Then we will not drive. You see there's at the bottom.
A truck.
Yeah. The truck there.
Yay, we're in the car wash, guys. This is fun.
Yeah. A little bit.
Alright, put a neutral, bro.
$9.
Make sure you're in neutral, no brakes.
Okay.
Give them $1 to drive you.
Okay.
Alright, so. Oh, yeah.
This is fun.
Yeah. So this is.
Scrubbery, scrubbery.
You see, they will scrub everything. See, it's moving. See?
What? A splatter. A
Yeah.
splatter here. A splatter there. A splatter everywhere. I also have a splatter, Papa.
What?
I have a splatter.
See, they will clean it. And you see.
I put
there's
the wiggly brush.
Huh?
The wiggly brush.
Yeah.
Guys, we're in the wiggly brush. As he brushes.
So kailangan naka-neutral guys yung sasakyan kasi mag-automatic siya na mag-move forward. So kuya, look that one. And you see on the side, you can see there, oh, there's a big rock. Fun?
Another wiggle. This is fun. Hey, seaweeds. Clumsy seaweeds. This is fun.
Yan, kasi sa gilid may mga umiikot pa na
Koi was, it's fun.
big rocks or brushes. So, ako yan. Is it
We
fun?
cannot see it. Oh, we can.
Yeah,
Yes,
just wait.
this is fun.
Yeah. So they're drying now.
This is fun.
You see, look this one. It will suck the water.
This is fun. This is fun, Papa.
Yeah. Then you have to drive now. Just have to wait.
That was fun, guys. This one was fun.
And $1 for the rug. Just wait.
This is fun. Papa. This is fun.
My tire so fucking fast, man.
So they help to put the rod.
This is fun.
Is it fun, Kuya?
Yeah, it was fun.
Just help to clean it.
Next one.
It's done.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was fun, right?
A black car is also enjoying it.
Yeah.
Mr. Mitsubishi's also enjoying the ride. Bye-bye.
Then we have to go to.
This was fun, Papa.
Is it fun?
Yes, it was fun. Papa.
So now we have to get the
Pizza.
we have to wait